In this full tutorial, I will show you how to build voice chatbot specifically designed to your website and personalized to your website. And not only that, we're gonna use ChatGPT to create a efficient prompt and lead the AI agent to create good customer support agent. And when I say voice chatbot, it literally means people and users who visit your website can interact with the voice. And I'm just gonna show you how to do it live in a one single video. So sit back, relax, and watch the entire video without skipping any part. And also, I made a brand new community called Automation One, where you'll find 100 plus N8N tutorials that are sellable to business owners. You can get that for free as of now. With that said, let me teach you how to build voice agents. The first thing what I want you to do is head over to VoiceFlow. Just type in a VoiceFlow and you will get this website called voiceflow.com, and which says build chat and voice agents without code. Now, I have to sign up right here, so you can just start the free trial for free and check it out. If it is relevant, if the chatbot is good to you, then you can go and you can upgrade to paid plan. If not, you can build it on your own. So let me just go here and log in and get back to you. All right, now that you can see I have created, successfully logged in, and we have got this nice little onboarding video right here. So yes, I want to skip this tutorial because I'm just gonna teach you. That's the point of the video. Let me just make it okay. Cool. So we have got the voice agent. Okay, cool. Now it is speaking in a voice. I just didn't turn on the audio, desktop audio. So wait, let me just increase it. Who are you?
I'm Laura, a customer service voice assistant here at Acme Solutions. I'm here to help you with any questions or issues you might have with our products and services.
All right, I'm just gonna close it. So you can see that, right? The chatbot AI agent, voice, customer support specialist. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come here and delete this thing. So let me just go ahead and delete. All right, cool. So if you can see, we have got all this nice little dashboard right here. So we have got the agent right here, talk, listen, logic, dev tools, developer tools, and also we have got the analytics part right here, which is really great if you want to look at how many interactions happening in it with a chatbot. And then we have got this even workflow. So let me just go back to the dashboard, and here I can literally describe what the AI agent is supposed to do, and I can describe the details and go with the create the agent. Now you can see the recent one, which is my first AI agent. So let me just delete this thing, delete forever. Let me just copy and delete this thing because I don't want this. All right, cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some prompt right here, and I will also teach you how to create a workflow manually. Okay, so let me just go here and automate some by giving a prompt. So let's just look at it. All right, guys, this is a prompt which I gave, which is usually you automated tweet generated source sales marketing rep, and I just told who it should be. So you will address all the common issues like login errors, API rate limit, tweet generations professionally, and the tone is friendly, conversational, and you ask a lot of questions to qualify the error is correct or not before answering the questions, because a lot of people they like bots, they spam the chat. I want to qualify if the user is genuine or not. So let me just click on I just hit the enter, and you can see right here it went on analyzing prompt requirements. Now the good thing about VoiceFlow is it creates its own prompts, and it also designs the flow and key interaction. It also comes up with key interactions because the role which I gave, and also creates all the workflows. So let's just wait. It's not gonna take you a couple of minutes. It just does it in one minute. As we are talking, it is done, and we are inside the agent. Now let me just turn on the audio.
Welcome to Automated Tweet Generator Support. I'm here to help you resolve any issues you're experiencing with our service. Whether it's trouble logging in,
okay, now I'm going to ask the question.
Hitting usage limits, or something else entirely, I'm ready to assist you. Could you please describe what specific issue you're encountering with the automated tweet generator? For example, are you having trouble accessing your account? Is the tweet generation not working as expected? Are you seeing any error messages? Once you share the details, I'll ask a couple of follow-up questions to make sure I understand the situation completely and can route you to the right solution.
Okay, I'm just going to give a simple query right here.
I see you're having trouble generating tweets, and it sounds like you've already created quite a few, 20 plus, in the past hour. This gives me a good clue about what might be happening.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna turn it off. But yeah, you can see right here, this is the workflow which it came up with, and you can see right here, you can literally, if you want to include all these things, I can simply click on publish and run, and if I go to the dev, and you can grab you can custom fetch API, you can also use it as a webhooks, and we have the tool integration functions, JavaScript, and we can do a lot of things. Okay, voice flow, it has a lot of options, which is really cool. So if you want to build this manually, so let's just build it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete every single thing, which is, you can see this workflow, which is a pretty neat right here. Login issue clarification. Okay, cool. API rate limit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete every single thing. Alright, I'll just delete it entirely, every single thing. So what you want to do is, so we have this start button right here. Now you click on it and drag and drop right here, or you can also go here and select the agent. But anyway, let me just click on the agent, and here we have got a new build. So let's just rename it. It's going to be our customer support AI agent. Okay, so since I have a website which is a if you're looking to build custom AI automations and workflows, then we're gonna help you do that. So I'm just want to build a chatbot for this. So what I can do is I'm just gonna go back, come here and click on select agent, and here I'm just gonna build. I can actually have this pre-made templates, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create from scratch. So I'll click on new agent, and here I want to describe how my agent behaves. So in order to simplify, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some headings. In order to put the headings, we're just gonna give the double hashtags. Okay, so and then we're gonna describe what the AI. So then we're gonna describe how the AI agent, what the AI agent should do. So what I'm gonna do is, so in order to speed up this process, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to create a custom prompt for this. I can type it, but it's going to take time. So in order to simply, all right, cool. So we have got this web. All right, cool. We have got this prompt, which is, this is my website. I've just given a website, and the where we offer custom AI workflows and custom. I just know what we do, and then I was working a voice flow, AI chatbot agent builder. I was about to give a personalized prompt inside voice flow agent to behave like a sales, marketing expert and customer support agent for my website. Please write the characteristics and how it should behave to be efficient. Okay, I'm just gonna hit enter and let's just wait. Alright, cool. So ChatGPT is doing most of the work, so let me just copy paste entire thing. Alright, cool. Do you actually want me to write the final voice flow ready personal prompt online? Okay, cool. Yes, please. Also, go to my website. Want to know. Alright, cool. So we have got the entire prompt, so it just it just did it in a really did it in quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back and here paste the entire thing. So the prompt is basically this: instructions. You are friendly small voice of querylookup.com, a sales support expert who helps people discover powerful AI automation workflow, your warmth, etc., etc. When someone talks to you, say hey with warmth. Now this is a one greeting. So always the AI agent or chatbot should greet and listen first, connect the dots, use simple stories, educate, keep it light, humor, technical, cost effective, and then close. Alright, cool. So this is it. And I can also go here and add the knowledge base. So what I'm going to do is enter query to the knowledge base. Okay, cool. So let me just go back to ChatGPT, and here it is asking. Let me just take a screenshot and put it right here. Okay, I'll paste in a chatbot. It is asking knowledge base. how to guide your inside the LLM description. You can write something like use the knowledge base when user ask. Okay, cool. Do you want me to create ready to upload? Yes. Because I can do that, but it consumes a lot of time, so I'm just making it quicker by using the ChatGPT. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this entire thing. I don't want the emojis. Okay, cool. So let me just go back. Let me just go back to the knowledge base. If the tool is called add examples to your agent, it's showing when to use or avoid this tool. Okay. You can copy this into Markdown, paste it directly inside knowledge upload. Alright, cool. So let me just go back, cancel this, go back to the, you can see a brain icon right here. It's called knowledge base. Let me just click on the knowledge base and here add the data source. I'm going to upload or plain text, and yeah, I actually added this, and then LLM strategy, summarize, keep only the key points and remove filter content, best for dense and lengthy content. Okay, alright, cool. I'm just gonna leave it blank and click on import. So we have already added the knowledge base, so let me just go back to the dashboard and let me just come back right here and go back to this agent and the knowledge base. Okay, we have successfully added the knowledge base, and then display UI picker. Okay, exit conditions. You can also add exit conditions, like if customer asks certain question, then he's not qualified, then you can add exit condition. Like if the customer is asking about this, then that is exit condition. You can also select the models right here. So we have a default Claude for Sonnet. You can also choose various models right here from Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama, and then GPT. And then we can set the temperature and max tokens. If you're using the paid plan, you can also connect to the various tools, Google Sheets to track and every single thing, Salesforce, Make.com, and custom API, Airtable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to test this out. Let me just go back and alright, cool. So click on run, test the agent. Hi there. You can also see the logs going down right here. So let me just I'm just gonna ask a simple question. What are the use cases? Can get. I'm just gonna turn on the voice.
Because there are so many repetitive tasks that eat up your day. You're basically juggling leads, follow-ups, showings, paperwork. It's like being a professional plate spinner. Let me paint you a picture of what's possible with real estate automation. Lead management magic. Imagine this. A lead fills out a form on your website at 2 AM. Instead of you finding it Monday morning, our AI instantly captures the lead and pushes it to your CRM. Sends a personalized welcome email. Hi Sarah, I saw you're interested in 3-bedroom homes in downtown. Text your phone. New hot lead for downtown properties. Schedules a follow-up reminder for you. One of our clients said it felt like...
Alright, cool guys. So we have got the chatbot successfully ready. You can also go and add, so I don't want to brag this video. So what I'm gonna do is let me just take this to the WordPress and successfully embed right here. So in order to do that, let me just teach you how to do that. Alright guys, in order to publish, what you want to do is come back to the interface, and here once you click on interface, it's going to give you some snippet installation, and you can also customize it if you want to add your logo. If you go to the appearance and style and also interface, you can customize however you want, all the color and every single thing. But to keep it simple, let me just copy this, and it says paste this code snippet before closing body tag. And let me just open up my WordPress dashboard and the token. And then I want this to run global site-wide body. Okay, cool. Click on Act 2, save snippet. And here it's asking me to publish a production ready version. Okay, publish this agent. Just gonna type here test. Publishing. I have successfully published the agent, and so as you can see, it is visible right here inside my domain. Now if I click here, anybody can interact. So this is cool. Now it is also even voice activated. Now you can, people can also ask in a voice, and they can interact with it in a voice, which is really cool. And I just built this in under 30 minutes, which is so awesome. So this is how you build VoiceFlow in 2025 in just one single prompt. And back in the days, it used to take a lot of time, but now just one